Holy banana boats. They're building more jumps. Holy buckets. That actually looks like it'd be fun. That looks like it's gonna be a drop. Let's go take a look. It's like super muddy back here, so. Yeah, they're building some stuff back here. That is sweet. Hey man, you want to go for a ride in that? I mean, it's exciting to see what they do here. And I'm gonna give this a couple more runs, and then I'm probably just gonna do regular trails. Yeah, this thing is Wisconsin Whitetail Ridge. Pretty freaking awesome. Whoa. Just go for it, go for it. Oh my gosh, I'm getting air. Woo! Oh, I got kicked. Oh, good morning, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I'm chasing the whitetail today. I'm over here in Wisconsin. All right, here we are at the grandstand, as they call it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do a quick run on this and just, I've never done this with flat pedals, so it'll be kind of interesting. Oh, wow, that was a case like no tomorrow. I was not confident about anything. Holy banana boats. Big jump, go for the big jump. Go for the big jump, big jump. Good jump! Just coast into it. Whoa! Holy crap! Woo! I can do it. Oh, pretty close. All right. Then they got this new thing. I don't know what this is. That wasn't that there last time. They might actually be building more jumps in here eventually. I'm at Whitetail Ridge. You know what that means? Gap jump time. I am going to be doing just the jumps here today. Oh, a little bit of dampness up here. Yucky. Yeah, there's nobody here. So oh, what is that in the distance? They built something else. Oh my gosh. They built more stuff. A few times. Wow. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, that's actually pretty sweet. I'm gonna try and do this. Just this line again. I'm getting my jump moves on though. Oh, that was just still a little scary. Oh, wow! Holy crap! I want my rear end. That's fun here. See, I feel like I'm coming really close to. Whoa! Woo! I go around this way. This is the back door to the jumps. I'm anticipating it to be completely done, but if not, it's gonna be pretty close.
So these videos here will be the conclusion to the timeline that I was working on. I've had these videos on my computer for 2 years now, and I will go back obviously when it's all done, so on and so forth. But this is pretty much the final stage of the timeline.
I don't know if they're gonna build more on this part here or not. Looks like they might be planning on doing stuff here too. And you're supposed to run into the tree when you're doing the jumps. Ha 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 ha. I don't know if they did this intentionally or what. No, not quite done yet. I don't know if this is going to be a gap or not. It looks pretty. Yeah, not quite done yet. I think this is intended to be a gap. That's actually pretty big. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna have to kind of roll it first. Here's the big feature. Coming off that feature. So we're almost done. These are some big jumps. I mean, we're talking 15. Yeah, twice the length of my bike. Bike is about 7 feet. Just random. Don't hesitate. Oh! It's about a foot too short.